Good morning. Today I will be demonstrating the BRI facial mask, and I will be using the spatula end of a face mask applicator. You need to start with a dry face. I did that. I cleansed my face before this video, so I've already done that step. You just want to use a little bit of this because it will stretch out. That little bit that I put in my hand will cover half of my face. You want to apply with upward strokes, which I just kind of messed up on this half because I was trying to get through this video, not used to doing these. And you'll see I did some of it upwards, but some of it I didn't. But you do, and you need to work fast because it will dry fast. But I'm doing half of my face at this time just to show you the difference between the side that has been treated, I suppose, versus the side that hasn't had the mask put on yet. You need to avoid your eye area. This is not for your eyes or your lids. Typically, I apply it from the cheekbone or up to the cheekbone, and then on my forehead, I just follow the guide of my eyebrow. See here where I'm putting it down partly on my neck and up over the jawline in an upward motion. You want to let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes to let it dry. It will get tight, so don't be concerned that it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes and I'm back, and I'm just trying to show you. I'm making all these funny faces. I'm just trying to show you. You see how shiny it is when it's dry, and you can see there on my neck where I stopped the mask, and you can see I'm doing that so you can see how tight that got. When I do my whole face, I tend to not be able to talk because when you move your mouth, and then I'm just showing you, you can see how one side of the nose is a little lifted, and my lips are a little bit lifted on one side, and I even think the outer corner of my eye is a little bit lifted. So now I'm going to apply the second side the way I did the first side, and I am going to do this online so you can see. Again, it's just another small amount in my hand. You'll also feel it in your hand as you work it, because like I said, it dries fast, so you got to be quick, because you'll feel it if you move your open and close your palm a little bit. You'll feel it pulling on your hand. This stuff is truly amazing. I really love it. Get this done quickly with the upward strokes. Remember to avoid your eye area, including your eyelids. It is not meant for your eyes. And get up over my forehead. You see how I use my eyebrows? I just typically go up from the top of the eyebrow to the top of my scalp. I try really hard to keep it out of my hair, but it doesn't always work out that way. I'm making sure I get all the places right there. And we're going to wait another 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, okay, it's been 10-15 minutes and I'm back, and this is what it looks like all dry. You kind of tell I can't really move my face much, and as I scrunch it up and try to smile, you could just kind of see it cracking, and you could see it all. So now's the time. You can either rinse it off with water, you can either scoop it up in your hands, however you normally rinse your face. I'm using a bamboo cloth. It's just easier for me. And I just take it off in circular motions, upward circular. And I do believe I paused this video and to finish up the rest of this because it just takes too long. I want to keep it as short as possible, short and sweet. I don't recommend peeling this. It's not a peel mask. And if you try, it will hurt. And peel masks are just not good for your face because you're skin off with that. Alright, I'm going to pause this video and we'll be back. And now we're back. When you've done rinsing it all off, you can just pat your face dry. And here is how we've done a little lift here. And it turned out amazing. So just pat it dry. You want your skin to be dry for your next steps. You're going to finish your skincare routine now that you've done your mask. Choose your favorite serum if you use a serum. If you don't, well, you probably should. I'm going to go here the different kinds of serums that we have available. I'm going with the vitamin C serum. And you just apply it. This one I do all over, but I concentrate on my cheek areas where those age spots are. And you just rub it in, circular motion, upward, always. And once I get it spread out, I like to tap it into my skin. I did skip a step. I didn't mean to, I just forgot because, I was a little nervous, a little anxious. Before you do your serums, you should use your freshener or your toner, whichever one you use. I'll show you mine here in a second. I'm just tapping it into my skin, pressing actually. And this is the moment I realized I forgot my freshener. See, so all you do is spray it onto a cotton pad and just wipe your face down with it in upward circular motions. I just can't believe I missed that step. Now it's time for moisturizer. With this BRI moisturizer, the one that I'm using, the deep pore, you need to dampen your fingertips, which is what I show you here, that they're damp. Damp fingertips. And the moisturizer, I promise it only takes a little bit. You don't want a whole glob. See how little that is? It's a very small amount. And then I always dampen my other fingers, and then I rub them together, and then you smooth it over your face in upward circular motions. And that is all there is to it. I'm left with some really silky, soft skin, and I love it. If you have any questions regarding this BRI facial mask, feel free to comment below or send me a private message. I will answer all of your questions. Okay? Gotta get all the spots. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching.